Boxing has always been my passion. I've been practicing 5 minutes per day for the past 3 days. But my parents...
What? Pops, I wanna go pro. Indian parents don't allow their kids to follow their passion.
Well, some of them do.
But not me.
Intro, passion killing no Jisu.
I wanna fuck in a cuddle. She wanna blow me like bubbles, ooh. Jump in a puddle.